Hello everyone. Today we are starting with state of Kerala, in which there are 6 important national parks. Let's starting from the geographical map of this area. The northernmost is your Silent Valley National Park. Then we have this Iravikulam National Park. Then we have Annamudai National Park. Then we have Pambadum Shola National Park. Then we have Mathikantan Shola National Park. The southernmost is your Periyar National Park. So these are the 6 important national parks located in this area. This is the map of this area. Let's see these national parks one by one now. If we talk about the first important national park is Silent Valley National Park, located in the Palakkad and Malappuram district of Kerala. It has certain like perennial river like Bhartpurja ki tributary flows through this national park. Then if we talk about Kaveri river tributary, Bhavani river also flows through this national park, and also the origin place of this Bhavani river. We can find lion take macaw in this area, Nilgiri langur. We can find tiger, leopard, jungle cat and fishing cat in this area. If we talk about kind of forest which we can find in this area, that are 4 major types. We have 600 to 1100, we can find tropical evergreen kind of forest. Then from 1300 to 1800, we can find southern tropical broadleaf hills forest. Then above 1900 meter, you can find wet temperate type of forest, and rest you can find orchid in this area which are rare and endemic. Let's talk about the second national park, which is your Iravikulam National Park, located in Idukki district, famous for Nilgiri Tahir and also famous for Nila Kurinji, that is a flower which blossom every 12 years. If we talk about kind of forest you can find in this area, that is grassland plus Shola forest you can find in this area. If we talk about kind of things which we can find in this area, we can find river like Paikar and Khunda. Sorry if I pronounce this name wrong. You can find this kind of rivers in this area, and also various other species beside your Nilgiri Tahir, that is sambar, barking deer. You can find otters, you can find jungle cat, jackals, etc. If we talk about this national park, it is also UNESCO World Heritage Site also. Now let's talk about the second national park, that is Annamalai National Park, which is located in Idukki district or Annamalai hill area. You can find dry scrub forest in this, savanna kind of forest, moist deciduous, evergreen and grassland in this area depending upon the elevation. You can find important species like Nilgiri langur, giant squirrel, lion-tailed macaw, gaur, elephant, cheetal, sambar, mouse deer, barking deer, and even various other species of birds and tiger, panther and wild boar, etc. Nilgiri Tahir is also present in this area. Rest, if we talk about this area, it is also located in the Western Ghat part, and some of the river like Pambar river which flows through this national park joins your Amravati reservoir. Also, as I told you, you can find mountain wet temperate type forest in this area, and various other species like elephant, leopard and tiger, gaur, etc. Now let's talk about the important detail of Pambadum Shola National Park. It is the smallest national park in the Kerala, and you can find Shola forest, that's why Shola is in the national park names also, and scrub and grassland in this area. You can find elephant, gaur, wild boar, sambar and common langur in this area. Now let's talk about the next national park, that is your Mathikantan Shola National Park. Sorry if I pronounced this wrong. Also located in the Kerala Tamil Nadu border area, Idukki district. It has a unique mountain evergreen forest ecosystem, and river Peniyar originates from this particular national park. If we talk about the kind of vegetation you can find here, you can find evergreen forest, you can find semi-evergreen forest and also moist deciduous and grassland in this area. If we talk further about this national park, we have most area of these national park are converted for the like coffee plantation and cardamom plantations. And if we talk about kind of species we can find here, you can find leopard, sambar, gaur, Asian elephant, wild boar and wild dog, etc. Now let's talk about the last and the most important national park, that is Periyar National Park, located in Idukki district. Protected area है, ठीक है जी. प्रोटेक्टेड टाइगर रिजर्व भी है अन्नामलाई हिल्स रेंज में, एंड यू कैन फाइंड टाइगर, लेओपर्ड, बार्किंग डियर्स, You can find Nilgai, langur, sloth deers, jungle cat, various other species like kingfisher, etc. in this particular national park. And if we talk about further about this national park, in this national park we find most of the important river like Periyar river, and also Pamba river also flows through this national park. You can find evergreen type of forest, semi-evergreen type of forest, moist deciduous kind of forest, and shola forest, grassland, savanna grassland in this area. You can find important species of like jackfruit, teak, bamboo, rosewood, and sandalwood, etc. in this area. So Kerala may we have all these 6 important national park. I hope you can remember the map work and also the important detail which I have shared with you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you very much.